Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna prepare okra porridge. Nice and smooth. Watch here people, I'll show the ingredients. Here's my okra right here. Alright. I have some Irish mash here. Okra and Irish mash porridge with little oats in it. I had my nutmeg here. I had my cinnamon leaf. And I had my coconut. I'm gonna blend my coconut to get the coconut milk. I had some almond here. And I have some vanilla. This is my milk. I'm gonna use to sweeten it. This is condensed milk. I take it out of the tin and put it in the bottle. I'm gonna have this to sweeten it, okay? So let's state I'm gonna get the okra on the fire. Now, yes, my people, I'm gonna half cook the okra and then I get it to blend, okay? Yeah. And this is my pot where I'm gonna cook my porridge into. Okay. Alright. Cinnamon leaf already rust. I'm gonna put it in my pot here to put in the water. Now the porridge pot, the cinnamon leaf. Alright. Just yeah. Natural coconut porridge. People, this porridge is very good for you, alright? Especially the baby mother them, the pregnant lady them. Yeah, the okra porridge is very good. Just watch how I'm gonna prepare it. You can do it at home. Don't think it is slimy or anything. It's not gonna be slimy, alright? The oats and the Irish must go and balance it out. Very good, very healthy. It's a healthy porridge for you guys. Pregnant lady, for the men them, yeah, very healthy. Yes, some people see it. My coconut I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm gonna blend it now. I'm gonna get my coconut blend up now. Okra going at the blender right, you know. I'm gonna blend that. The Seamoss are blending it. Everything. Alright, people. I'm gonna get in my oats. Okay. I'm gonna add my coconut milk to it to blend it. Get some water. Okay. I'm gonna add everything to it. I'm gonna put my spices to the blender as well. Alright. My nutmeg. That's my rose water. My nutmeg. I'm gonna put my vanilla inside too. And now I'm gonna get a blend. Okay. Yeah. Yes, my people, I get in my thing in the pot now, the okra and the oats and the Irish mash, you know, my people. Give him a stir, you know. Wow. Looking nice. As I said, it's good for the pregnant lady, you know. And the man, when they're back weak, it's good for them. It's good for the weak back man, them. On the texture of the porridge, what's here? This is good for the pregnant lady. I tell them that this is good for the pregnant lady, you know. And this is good for the man with the weak back. Try it at home. But remember, I'm telling the people, don't get the old okra. Get the okra, the fresh okra. That means when you boil it and blend it, it don't, you know, give us, because normally that give you some trash in it. So, you get this. Get the small okra, my people. The small okra, when you do it, boil it, half cook it and then you blend it. You know? Pregnant lady, this is good for you, I tell you again. The man who have the weak back, have pain in the back and them thing there, lower back, this is good for you. Check it out, okra porridge. Just check it out. Yes, my people. I get it sweet, you know. Nice okra porridge, you know. As I say, good for the man, them, you know. Man, I have a weak back. Good for the pregnant lady. Understand? Yes, my people, I had a little salt to it now. I had a little more vanilla. I'm going to put some vanilla in it before. I'm going to put rose water in it before. I'll get nutmeg in it before and everything. I'll put the milk a while ago. So, the ingredients. Prepare it nice, people. There. Wow. Beautiful, Ajay. My God, people. Now try the porridge, my people. Nice porridge. Good for the man, them have weak back. Good for the lady, we are pregnant. A pregnant, you see me? Yes, my people, it come down to the finishing now, so it look, you know, okra porridge. You see me? So please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, you see it? And please thumbs up the video, alright? Thank you all for the support, okay? Okra porridge.